Let's be real for a moment. Cryptos can be an exciting space to be a part of. But at the end of the day, almost all of us are in it for one reason. And that reason is to make money. If you thought buying and holding was the only way to do it, however, you're in for a treat with today's video. Welcome to Crypto Sketch 101. We're the #1 go-to spot for all things crypto, and we're glad you've stopped by. If you love cryptos as much as we do, please give this video a like, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. In today's video, we're going to look at 7 different ways that you can make money with cryptos. You don't have to just buy and hold. There are a few strategies that you can try right away, and we're going to cover the best of them. Strategy number 1 is staking. Staking cryptocurrency is the process of committing your crypto assets to a blockchain network in order to support it and confirm transactions. Think of it as purchasing a certificate of deposit with a bank. When you invest in a certificate of deposit with a bank, you are essentially locking up your holdings in exchange for interest payments. The same goes for staking in the crypto world. Proof of stake is a consensus mechanism used to validate transactions. By staking your assets, you become a staker. Stakers help verify and approve transactions on a blockchain, and as a result, they obtain rewards or interest payments. Staking is simple, easy to do, and provides a great source of passive income. Strategy number 2 is crypto mining. Although there are many different cryptocurrencies that can be mined, by far, the most popular is Bitcoin. Bitcoin mining is the process of bringing new Bitcoin into circulation using high-powered computers to solve complex mathematical computations. As you may have guessed, as a reward for their mining efforts, miners receive Bitcoin. Mining cryptocurrencies is akin to mining precious metals. Crypto miners will initiate the release of new coins into circulation, similar to how precious metals miners will find gold, silver, or diamonds. While the rewards of mining speak for themselves, there are some downsides. Mining computers, or rigs as they are called, can be an expensive initial investment. There can be heavy electricity costs associated with running the computers as well. All in all, however, mining is almost completely hands-off, and the long-term rewards can certainly be worth it. Strategy number 3 is day trading. In a recent study, more than 80% of crypto investors believed that day trading was one of the most effective ways to earn money. It takes a lot to be a day trader and requires good analytical and technical skills. There is a lot more that goes into it than just holding an asset until its value rises. While day trading can be one of the most strenuous ways of earning in cryptos, it can also be one of the most rewarding. Unlike the traditional stock market, the crypto markets are open and active 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Investors can buy, sell, or trade at any time they wish. Bots have made trading easier as well. Trading bots are computerized trading systems that trade on the investor's behalf. They enable you to automate the execution of trades when certain circumstances are met. These bots take into account current prices and volatility levels, among other things. Strategy number 4, being part of an airdrop. An airdrop is a promotional activity used by blockchain-based entrepreneurs to help get a new crypto off the ground. In a nutshell, participants are given free crypto coins as a way of gaining attention and new followers. Small amounts of the new virtual currency are delivered for free or in exchange for a small service, such as retweeting a post issued by the company creating the currency. To be eligible for the free gift, a recipient may need to have a certain amount of cryptocurrency in their wallet. They may also be required to complete a specific activity, such as blogging about the currency on a social media platform, connecting with a specific blockchain project member, or writing a blog post. Given the fierce competition among cryptocurrency businesses, an airdrop is a way for a company to stand out. Some crypto airdrop companies provide user alerts and startup listing services, as well as a variety of marketing services to help them fine-tune their airdrops. There are good businesses and poor enterprises in this field, as there are in any other. It's important to tread carefully when venturing into airdrops, as they are a common target of scammers. Strategy number 5, dividends. Just like the stock market, some cryptocurrencies can pay out dividends. Dividends are payments made to holders in the form of either cash sums or more crypto. While a payout of dividends may not hit your crypto account unless you have a substantial amount, it can be a method to make money with the crypto you already hold. For crypto holders, it's worth checking into to determine which cryptocurrencies offer dividends and whether the payouts are worthwhile. Strategy number 6, lending. In both the controlled and decentralized portions of the crypto business, lending has become one of the most popular crypto services. You can lend your digital assets to borrowers for a chance to earn money as an investor. You have a choice of 4 basic financing strategies. Peer-to-peer lending. Platforms that offer such services enable users to create their own terms, pick how much they want to lend, and how much interest they want to earn on their loans. Centralized lending. In this technique, you rely entirely on a third-party lending infrastructure. Interest rates and lock-up periods are both fixed in this case. To begin earning interest, you must transfer your crypto to the lending platform, just as you would with peer-to-peer lending. Decentralized lending, often known as DeFi lending, is a mechanism that allows users to conduct lending transactions directly on the blockchain. DeFi lending does not require any intermediaries, unlike peer-to-peer and centralized lending methods. Instead, lenders and borrowers deal through smart contracts, which are programmable and self-executing contracts that adjust interest rates autonomously and on a regular basis. Margin lending. Last but not least, you might lend your crypto assets to traders who want to trade with borrowed funds. These traders use borrowed cash to increase their trading position and then repay the loans with interest. In this instance, crypto exchanges handle the majority of the job for you. You only need to make your digital item accessible. And finally, strategy number 7 is crypto rewards. Some platforms allow people to earn crypto in shopping rewards. It's identical to the cashback rewards programs that most credit cards have, but instead of earning cash, people can earn crypto. StormX is a great example. Along with a Chrome extension, StormX also has an app. While using the extension or app, users can earn rewards that can then be withdrawn in either Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, the DAI stablecoin, or the StormX token itself. StormX has hundreds of participating stores including some big names such as GameStop, Grubhub, DoorDash, Sam's Club and Microsoft. As an added bonus, the app and extension are completely free to use. Basically, you shop and as a reward, you get crypto. And that's all we have for today's video. There are many different ways to make money in the crypto world, and we hope today's video was able to shed some light on some lesser-known strategies that you may be able to put to use. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and be sure to subscribe to our channel as well. Take care and we'll catch you in the next video.